In the silent vastness of space, a new chapter of cosmic history is being written by a telescope unlike any before. The James Webb Space Telescope has just unveiled something extraordinary. Not a planet, not a star, but a revelation so profound, it could rewrite the story of our universe as we know it. For centuries, humanity has looked to the skies, piecing together the story of creation. We've mapped the stars, measured the galaxies, and built theories explaining how the cosmos began, from a fiery explosion known as the Big Bang to the swirling galaxies that fill the heavens today. But now, everything we thought we understood is being challenged. Webb has seen something different, something hidden beyond the veil of time, something from a period we call the Dark Ages, a time when the universe was supposed to be cold, quiet, and opaque, a time when light was swallowed by dense clouds of hydrogen, and stars had yet to shine. And yet, through this ancient darkness, Webb saw a light. It wasn't just any light, it was structured, complex, radiant, a massive galactic object shining brilliantly where, according to all our models, nothing should have existed. This object wasn't faint or isolated. It was bold, luminous, bursting with energy, and it appeared just 300 million years after the Big Bang, far earlier than any galaxy was supposed to form. This discovery has left scientists around the globe stunned. If what Webb saw is real, and all evidence suggests that it is, it means our universe became active, dynamic, and complex far sooner than we ever imagined. Using its 6.5-meter mirror and cutting-edge infrared sensors, Webb has reached deeper into time than any telescope before it. Unlike visible light, which gets blocked by dust and gas, infrared light can pass through, revealing what was once invisible. And what it's found is nothing short of astonishing. That early object was radiating Lyman alpha emissions, ultraviolet light released by hot, young stars interacting with hydrogen. These emissions were never meant to reach us. In the Dark Ages, the universe was so dense that light couldn't escape. But here we are, seeing it, measuring it. Something cleared the fog of early hydrogen. Something ignited that darkness. The current theory? The object was surrounded by enormous bubbles of ionized hydrogen, gas so energized by starlight that it became transparent. These bubbles acted like tunnels, allowing the light to travel freely across billions of light years, straight into Webb's lens. This means the first stars weren't isolated candles flickering in the void. They were part of blazing stellar cities, intense enough to carve windows into the cosmos. Star formation, once thought to begin slowly and gently, now appears to have exploded onto the scene with ferocious urgency. And it doesn't end there. Webb has found other similar structures, some even farther back. One galaxy, named Jade's GSZ13-0, existed just 250 million years after the Big Bang. Another, GNZ11, possibly hosts a supermassive black hole at its center, a monster millions or even billions of times the mass of our Sun, formed impossibly early. These black holes shouldn't exist. Not yet. According to our best models, they take billions of years to form through slow accretion and mergers. So how did they grow so large, so fast? Some believe they may have collapsed directly from massive gas clouds, skipping the slow growth entirely. Others suggest they may be leftovers not from stars, but from a universe before ours. This brings us to a bold new theory, conformal cyclic cosmology. Proposed by Nobel laureate Sir Roger Penrose, it suggests the Big Bang wasn't the beginning at all, but simply the latest in a series of cycles. In this model, the universe is eternal, expanding, evolving, then fading until black holes evaporate. Their energy seeds the next universe, and the cycle begins anew. Could the light Webb sees be echoes of a previous cosmos? It's a staggering possibility. But the telescope's data is lending unexpected credibility to this theory. These galaxies, these black holes, these heavy elements like oxygen and carbon appearing so early, none of it fits our existing models. These elements don't just appear, they're forged in stars over generations. Yet Webb sees them already present, hundreds of millions of years after the beginning. How? This suggests that even in the earliest times, the universe had already seen life and death in the stars, forming, burning, exploding, and rebirthing. The cosmic clock may have started long before we ever thought to wind it. And the implications are massive. If galaxies were already forming, merging, and birthing stars in the dark ages, our entire timeline of cosmic evolution could be wrong. Maybe the universe is older than we believe. Or maybe something triggered a rapid acceleration of growth, a phase of chaos and collision unlike anything we'd imagined. Webb's images show early galaxies in violent states, merging, colliding, twisting into chaotic forms. These events create bursts of light and funnel gas into galactic centers, fuel for the growing black holes. This might explain the early brightness, but it raises even deeper questions. Is this just one possible universe in a chain of infinite cycles? Are we witnessing the fingerprints of a previous cosmos? Whatever the truth, Webb has opened a new door. It has shattered records, identifying the most distant galaxies, the most ancient black holes, and the first light from beyond the cosmic curtain. And with each discovery, it chips away at the edges of what we thought was known. No longer are these ideas confined to theoretical physics or science fiction. The evidence is mounting, data is flowing, and the story is changing. From the faintest whisper of ultraviolet light to the roaring glow of ancient galaxies, Webb is tuning our ears to the symphony of the early universe. A universe that's no longer quiet or simple, but wild, energetic, and filled with possibilities. As we look to the future, one thing is clear. The James Webb Space Telescope isn't just an instrument. It's a time machine, a cosmic archaeologist, a window into forever. And it's only just getting started.